With the blessing name of Allah is most merciful and most beneficent. Today here about our tutorial is the management of the ownership and the brand account of a Google account, of a Gmail account. How can we transfer our Gmail account to a brand account? Before moving forward in our video, it's my humble request, please watch the video at the end, till end. So first of all, you have to go to the dashboard of your channel. After that, you have to go to the setting, and after going to the setting option, you have to select the channel. And if you select the channel, then you have to move to the advanced settings. And as soon as you move to advanced settings, you will see that you will see there the multiple options there. The first option here you can see at the below is manage your Google account. As you click manage your Google account, you will see that the a new tab has been opened. First of all, you will find here the three options, which option we have to use. First option is channel status and the feature. Uh, we don't no need for it. Uh, we have to use create a new channel and view advanced setting. We have to see these two options. Okay, we have to see these two options. You check for the status, and the second option you have to view the advanced setting. And these two are the options that we have to. I click on create a new channel. As soon as I click on create a new channel, then you will see there an option add channel name. So as I click on channel name, you will see that for example I tech cycle. Okay, as I select that name for my channel, after that you have to agree with their terms and conditions. After selecting after agreement or with their terms and conditions, you have to see the all the necessary settings, all the necessary things there, and you have to click on the create. As soon as you click on create, you will see a new channel has been created. New channel has been created, and after the creation of new channel, now how can you move that channel to the brand account? It is very much easy. It is not difficult. It is so much easy to move your present channel to a brand account. For that, simply we have to click on that symbol. We have to go to the switch account, and after going to the switch account, we just switch the account with the subscriber with the subscriber so that after selecting that option, we have to just click that count, and after that, and now I have to click that, and I have to click on YouTube Studio. Now I will be redirected to YouTube Studio. Now moving again to the setting option. Again, same on the way, the channel, the advanced settings, and moving below the manage YouTube account. And after clicking manage YouTube account, I have to just click on view advanced settings. Now you can see we're finally on the spot that we were wanting to create. So that is the option move channel to a brand account. Okay, actually that is the option that we are wanting to create. So as soon as I click on move channel to brand, my channel will be moved to brand account. And if I click on delete channel, the channel will be deleted. So there are two options. So I hope that you will understand all the things clearly. So goodbye for today. We will meet tomorrow with the next tutorial.